Welcome to the Trending Sex Toys channel. Hello everyone, this is Matt Stone. Thank you for checking out the video. We are here today to talk about the pros and cons of penis pumps. Alright, but before anything else, let me just remind you to subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our upcoming new episodes. We got some bangers on the way! Alright, so, penis pumps. For those of you who don't know what penis pumps are, allow me to explain. A penis pump, also known as a vacuum construction device, it's a penis vacuum pump. It's used on your penis to gain an erection. The main parts of the device consist of a transparent plastic cylinder and a pump powered by either hand or by batteries. So in this video, I'm going to be showing off the Performance VX10, which is item number D401. Once again, that's item number D401. As you can see, we have the plastic cylinder here, and this one is USB rechargeable actually, and it has a visual LED display on top. We'll get more into that later in the video. So, as you can see, we have the clear cylinder, we have the LED control on top with the different buttons and functions, as well as a cylinder on the bottom to keep the air pressure inside, as you can see right there. And as well as there is a ruler along it to show you the measurements and show you growth as you use the product. So to use it, you'll need to first lubricate your penis and then place it inside of the plastic cylinder as seen like this. Then you seal it by pressing it against your body so no air can come out. So it's more of a suction kind of feel because that's what you're going for as it's a vacuum. And then the pump removes air from the cylinder, so any air that's been trapped in the cylinder it removes, and which creates a partial vacuum effect. And then the vacuum causes the penis inside the cylinder to engorge with the blood and help it get even bigger. And then when there's enough blood in the penis to make for a viable erection, you then place a construction ring or a construction penis ring around the base of your penis to keep the blood inside the shaft. So a cock ring of sorts or something along those lines. Research shows that you can obtain an erection about 90% of the time using a penis vacuum pump. However, it does take a week or two to master the device, and afterwards it should only take you about 2 to 3 minutes to get yourself an erection, which you can safely maintain for half hour or around that kind of ballpark. However, some men are using 2 construction rings, have found that the method also gives them a stronger erection. So by having the extra clench on the bottom, it makes the erection more solid. But before we go any further, let me tell you about a wonderful opportunity that Adam & Eve has provided here for you guys. It is a coupon code for Adam & Eve. They were kind of sharing this with me, and so I now pass it on to you. The coupon code is WOW50. That's WOW50. Once again, that's WOW50. Make sure you enter that at the coupon code at the checkout at adameve.com, and you will get up to 50% off almost any single item. Yes, you heard me right. Up to 50% off almost any single item, plus 10 free gifts, which includes free discreet shipping. That is huge. Free discreet shipping. Nothing, so no one knows what you're getting. So, if you aren't familiar with Adam & Eve, they've been around for over 45 years and have served over 12 million very satisfied customers. And it's the best place to shop for the best-selling adult products on the market today. The number one adult superstore where customers can enjoy the discreet shipping and billing. So, for this video, if you're 18 plus or older, you should definitely check this video out. And if you're not, please come back when you do. Before we move on to the best part of the video, let me give a shout out to a few following commenters who commented on the video entitled How to Use Electric Penis Pumps from a previous video. Okay, so first comment here is from Storm K-1 or Storm K1, however you prefer. Maybe works. Did you mix it with jelqing and stretching, etc.? Okay, so jelqing is a method where you clip onto the penis and stretch in that kind of method. So with this penis pump specifically, I've never mixed in the gelking stretching kind of method because I've never felt the need to. I feel like if you actually try to do the gelking stretching, it can potentially help the growth of your penis as well as the opportunity to enhance more blood flow, but it really depends on the person and the situation that they're dealing with. Francisco Barron has said, has anyone had results? I'm only 5 inches and want it bigger. Any advice? Honestly, Francisco, best advice I can give, the penis pump, like I explained at the beginning of the video, it's a great way to start. It suctions to your body, it enhances the growth, engorges it, allows more blood to rush to it, so it helps maintain. And using a construction ring, you can allow yourself to maintain a stronger erection. That would be the best advice I can give. Get a penis pump that makes sense for what you want to do, whether it's the VX10 like this guy over here. Once again, that's item number D401 if you want to use this one specifically with the digital interface, memory storage bank, USB rechargeable, all that kind of stuff. Or another one over at manhood.com, use the coupon code WOW50 and go from there. But those, honestly, the penis pump would be the best place I'd recommend to start. All right, we have another comment from Kaylin Cooper. Do you have to hold the tube with your hand while it's going, or is there something you can use to hold the tube, or do you just let it hang? So Kaylin, for this pump, for example, I hold it personally, because that way you want to be able to maneuver the buttons up top, especially if it's an electric penis pump rather than a hand one. So with the electric one, you should have at least one hand on it near the buttons of the interface so you know how to control it, as well as you don't want your penis to get over engorged. So it's better to have one hand on it, probably near the top where the buttons are, so that way you can hold it, you can still see the measurements along it, and you can see the growth that happens as you're using it. All right, so now I'm gonna go through some pros and cons of using penis pumps. So with penis pumps, first of all, they are very affordable. If you go over to manhood.com, they have a variety of different penis pumps, including the VX10, Performance VX10, which is item number D401. I keep pushing it, is my absolute favorite. I highly recommend it. And the cost of such a device pales in comparison to the expenses involved in like some sort of major plastic surgery for like a penile implant, for example. And you also don't get to experience the major side effects that are also common with surgeries and other medications and stuff like that, because the effect of the penis pump is it's just engorging the blood flow to the penis. So no medication, you don't take any pills, you don't have to get any surgery. It's just a pump, very straight and easy to use. And there's also the privacy issue, and buying a device like this online, you don't have to let anybody else know about your sexual problems. So once again, Adam, need free discreet shipping. It's very discreet, so no one will really know about it. So if you are more self-conscious about about using this kind of product, it's very secretive and very subtle. No one's really gonna know. And finally, most importantly, it works. It's proven that it works, and many people have used the VX10 or any other penis pump that you can get on manhood.com, and it works. They are effective. Many men can get good erections for when they use it correctly. So when you get it, make sure you read the instructions, you understand what you're doing. Take it slow, never rush into something without really understanding what you're getting into, and you'll be good from there. It is less expensive compared to other erectile dysfunction treatments, so that could be medication over a period of time, it could be surgeries, it could be anything like that. Penis pumps can be used along with other treatments or medications, so if you feel so inclined, you can mix in with the medications depending on that, and you obviously speak to a doctor or any sort of medical physician regarding that. You can use a penis pump for some time to reestablish your natural erection ability. So using it over time, it actually can help improve your erection ability, and it's very useful, especially in cases of prostate surgery or radiation therapy caused by prostate cancer. And they also help in curing erectile dysfunction caused due to certain health conditions. In cases of diabetes, the use of a penis pump actually helps in maintaining a normal sexual function. It's also useful for conditions such as Peyronie's disease, where the erection can be bent. And the penis pump, it helps in maintaining length and the girth of the penis itself. So some of the cons of penis pumps, there obviously is. The erections you get with a penis pump, it might feel unnatural. While technically it is a natural feeling because it's just engorging it, it might feel unnatural. It does not feel as spontaneous, and there might be a lack of firmness at the base of the penis like it would be in a natural erection. But oddly, you can move the penis, which is not possible in a natural erection. Something to keep in mind. You and your partner need to absolutely be aware and have an understanding of the penis pump, as it can be awkward for both of you. So when you're using it, you definitely want to have that communication aspect, and it'll take some time to get used to the penis pump, but definitely communication is key in all sorts of sexual scenarios. So communication, understanding tools you're using, and understanding how that involves your relationship. So the use of a penis pump requires the operation to be done manually, and this might be weird for some men or their partners. Once again, that communication aspect, getting to know the product, having that understanding of the tool, how to use it correctly and safely, and making sure that everyone is on the same page. And you might have to shave your pubic hair at the base to enable a good seal for the pump. If there's a lot of hair, having that seal against your body might not be a full seal, because if there's a lot of hair, then it might cause some blocking in terms of actually sealing it shut. So that is something also you have to keep in mind. And so aside from that, you are using a machine on your penis. So there may also be some bruising involved. There may be additional problems like scarring if you're applying too much force, which once again, or you don't follow the manufacturer's instructions. So once again, I have to seriously should say, you got to take your time, learn the product, understand the manufacturer's instructions, slowly work your way to using the product, understanding the functions of it, and making sure that you don't just dive in straight away and just assume you know what you're doing, because a lot of the time that may cause potential issue. Furthermore, a vacuum pump works best if your inability to get an erection naturally is caused by physical factors. So if the reason for your erectile dysfunction is largely psychological, using it may not be as effective. Once again, you should speak to your medical practitioner or anyone else in the medical field that you talk to regarding this, your sexual health or anything related to that, so you have an understanding of what your body is dealing with and the best tools to deal with it. So yeah, if it's more of a physical thing, penis pumps, absolutely a phenomenal tool to use. Psychological, that's another separate issue. Okay, so here are some frequently asked questions about penis pumps. Are there any side effects? So there is some probable side effects, but none of them are lethal, so you are safe. So some examples include the occurrence of red dots due to bleeding under the skin surface, so you are engorging it, and that's the blood flow. Numbness or coldness, bluish color skin, occurrences of wounds, pain, painful ejaculation, and feeling of trapped semen. Once again, please follow the user's instructions, speak to medical officials, have an understanding of the tools before you just dive in and go straight to using these kind of products. How to choose a suitable penis pump. So with the penis pump, you have to make sure you choose one that has a vacuum limiter. It helps in regulating the air pressure, preventing it from getting too strong of a pump. So making sure the right product has a limiter effect so you don't over-engorge. Once again, read manufacturer's info. Choose a ring that fits the base of your penis the best, and it should also fit well enough for better functionality, but it should not be too tight. That is uncomfortable. So with a lot of these pumps, including the VX Performance 10, which is once again item number D401, this one comes with a few different sizes of rings. With the rings, it comes with usually 3 different sizes. This is like more of the middle option here that's on it. So when you get your pump, experiment with what the sizes are, make sure you understand which one works best with your penis, and go from there. But I continually say, follow the instructions so you know exactly what you're doing. And make sure you don't choose the one that claim to enlarge your penis, as that might not be safe. Make sure you use the correct ones. If you go over to adamandeve.com, use coupon code WOW50. They have excellent penis pumps on there. Highly recommend those, including the VX10 Performance or any other ones. Do penis pumps increase the length and size of your penis? No. A lot of people assume so, but it definitely isn't. The effects of using the penis pump for increasing the length and size are more of a temporary kind of effect. They do improve sexual performance and sexual erection, but the penis pump draws blood forward towards the penis, yielding an erection, and the construction ring maintains it during the intercourse. And it can give you an effect of increased length and size, but it is not a permanent effect. And so let me do a quick review of this. So this is one pump I highly recommend. I've talked about it throughout the video. It is the Performance VX10 Smart Pump, which is item number D401. With this pump, USB rechargeable, very easy to take apart for cleaning. So you can take the vacuum part off, you can take the ring off, very easy for cleaning and maintaining as well. And for reassembling also, very straightforward. Digital interface on the screen, suction, and as well as it has a memory bank. So if there's a memory function or a function of air suction that you like, you can store it in the device and it will save it for next time. So next time you want to use the pump, it's already preloaded and it saves you time. Also, it's USB rechargeable. That is a huge benefit because a lot of them can be either hand powered or battery powered. With this, you just gotta plug it in, leave it for a bit, and you'll be good to go. So I highly recommend the Performance VX10 Smart Pump. Once again, item number D401. It's absolutely fantastic. I love this product and I highly recommend it for you guys. So speaking of penis pumps, you can actually watch more related videos right on up here. If you click that little fancy eye button up there, it'll take you to more videos regarding this kind of stuff. So you can get this penis pump and a bunch of other awesome toys over at adamandeve.com, and don't forget to take advantage of the wonderful coupon code from adamandeve.com because it's only available for a limited time, so you gotta jump on it quick. Once again, the coupon code is WOW50. It's WOW50. Once again, that's WOW50. WOW50. Make sure you enter that coupon code at the checkout at adamandeve.com. You get up to 50% off almost any single item, plus 10 free gifts, including free discreet shipping. You gotta hop on it. That's such a value. All right, so I hope you learned something today from this video, and make sure to tell us in the comments below. And also, you can find us on a variety of different social media accounts. We have posted all of our social links below, so you can follow us. Also, we have new channels out now that need your love and support. They're also linked in the bottom, linked in the description below, and make sure you subscribe to them as well. If you love sex toys, and if you want more awesome videos from me or any of the other creators, please subscribe to the Trending Sex Toys channel. Share, like, comment, show some love, hit the subscribe button, hit the bell, ding the bell, support the bell. All right, once again, my name is Matt Stone. Thank you very much for checking out the video. Thank you for checking out Trending Sex Toys videos, and we hope to see you around soon. Take it easy. Peace. Hey guys, it's Matt Stone. Thanks for checking out another video. If you're liking what we're doing here, head up to the channel over here, hit the subscribe button. If you want to check out more related videos, you can head right on down there. We'll see you around.